Again, some reactions are there of haloalkanes, that is alkyl halide. Action of silver cyanide. Last reaction we have seen, that is action of potassium cyanide. Now action of silver cyanide. When alkyl halide is heated with silver cyanide, then alkyl isocyanide is obtained. Side product is AgX. Here there is valency of nitrogen is 4. So we have drawn here small arrow because valency of nitrogen is 3, and here there are 4 dash around nitrogen, so we have written arrow. And also valency of carbon is 4. It is here only 3, so valency becomes nitrogen ची व्हॅलन्सी कशी झाली 4 झाली आणि कार्बनची 3. म्हणून इथे आपण काय केलं, मी कसं ॲरो दिलेला आहे आणि नाव म्हणून पुढचं चेंज झालं अल्किल आयसोसायनाइड. When alkyl halide is treated with silver cyanide, then alkyl isocyanide is obtained. It is also known as alkyl nitride. It is then when ethyl bromide is heated with silver cyanide, then ethyl isocyanide is obtained. C2H5NC, and side product is AgBr. In this way we can take different examples, ethyl, propyl, like this. Now new reaction is action of potassium nitrate. Nitrite NO2 and nitrate NO3. When alkyl halide is treated with potassium nitrate, then alkyl nitrite is obtained. Side product is KX. We can write alkyl nitrate as RNO2 also. RONO. We can compress RONO like RNO2. When ethyl bromide is heated with potassium nitrate, then ethyl nitrite is obtained. Now new reaction is action of silver nitrate. Here we have seen action of potassium nitrate. Now in place of potassium there is silver, so action of silver nitrate. When alkyl halide or haloalkanes are treated with silver nitrate, then alkyl nitrites are obtained. For example, when ethyl bromide C2H5Br is treated with silver nitrate, then ethyl nitrite is obtained. We can also take different example like this. In our book, all these reactions are only in one table, but we have explained this reaction in different ways. As we studied earlier, separate reaction we have seen. There is only in one table all these reactions are given. So read carefully. Thank you.